Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 228 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is a gentle reset, a few moments to breathe, release tension, and let your mind rest. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. You don't need to fix anything right now. Now, say to yourself, I allow myself to rest. I release what I no longer need. And I am here, fully present. Keep breathing softly, letting each exhale carry away any tension. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.